And good evening there, folks. This is Mixer Wars, and what we have here today is a fat pack of Magic the Gathering's latest card expansion, Dark Ascension from the Innistrad block. So, take a look at the box. It says here it includes 9 boosters. So here, some brief introductory about Dark Ascension, booster packs. There will be intro packs also. So the contents is a complete visual encyclopedia of all the cards for Dark Ascension, 9 booster packs, 70 lands, 10 double face card list, and a spin down life counter and 2 deck boxes. So let's crack it open. It goes up. Come on, please open. By the way, today is actually the release date of this expansion. So yeah, so also play Magic the Gathering or Build Random City and board games. So there we have it. There we go. And here is the player's guide, which also includes, yes, the card image gallery. Need some combo corners, so here we go. So what we have here, some introductions, stories. Sorry Markov. Yeah, this guy is right now the titular planeswalker for this expansion. And the top 10 coolest cards. Well, number 1, Sorin. Then Fat Pack Bash is like what you get in the Fat Pack. You can build decks and battle it out. Combo corners, and yes, the card encyclopedia. After that, a checklist. Now, this here, this cover actually also doubles as a poster inside. So, gently. Okay, yes. There we go. Ta-da! And look who's here. Yes, that's Sorin Markov. Okay, now let's proceed to the contents. Here they are. The 2 deck boxes. Sorin here. The other one, yes, I don't know who the hell this guy is. And ta-da! Oh, here I get another white dice. This die actually, varies from color to color. So right now I got white. I was hoping for blue. So this here is the live spin down counter, and this here is the symbol for Dark Ascension. So here we go. I have it. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Seven, 8, 9. So these are the 3 different, let's say, covers for the booster packs. So we got Sorin here, a werewolf. I almost forgot who this is, but some bad guy. And this here is the 70 lands. Yeah, so the lands basically are 5 of each. I don't know. and a how to play guide. So that here is the unboxing for Pet Pack for Dark Ascension. So till next time, see you guys.